In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare stocks in Simply Safe Dividends. We'll focus on using the platform's stock screener to quickly narrow a massive list of companies into a manageable set of high-quality dividend candidates you can compare with confidence. First, open the stock screener within Simply Safe Dividends. Think of this as your control panel for filtering the market. The goal is to use four key filters: dividend yield, safety score, sector, and dividend growth history, to surface companies that fit your income needs and risk tolerance. Start with dividend yield. Set a minimum or range that aligns with your income goals. For example, you might begin with a moderate floor to weed out tiny yields while avoiding the temptation to chase very high yields that often come with higher risk. You can always tighten or loosen this range as you see the number of matches change. Next, focus on the safety score. This is a proprietary indicator of dividend reliability. Higher scores generally signal a stronger ability to sustain and grow dividends. Set a minimum safety threshold that makes you comfortable. This helps filter out companies with shakier payouts, reducing the chance of a surprise cut. Then choose sectors that match your strategy. If you're looking to diversify, include a few sectors to avoid concentration risk. If you have a thesis, say steady cash flows from utilities or defensiveness in consumer staples, use the sector filter to home in on those areas. This ensures you compare similar business models, or alternatively, build a balanced list across industries. Finally, apply the dividend growth history filter. Prioritize companies with consistent growth over many years. A longer growth streak can indicate disciplined management and a business model resilient through different market cycles. If your first pass yields too few results, widen the growth window slightly and see what appears. With these four filters set, review your results. Sort by yield to see income leaders, or by safety score to surface the most reliable payers first. Skim through the list and note patterns. Are certain sectors dominating? Are yields clustering in a comfortable range? If the list is too long, tighten the yield or safety thresholds. If it's too short, open up one filter at a time. Incremental tweaks keep you in control. Once you've refined the results to a handful of names, you have your comparison set. Save your screen so you can revisit and update it as market conditions change. That's it. You've used the stock screener to find suitable dividend candidates ready for a thoughtful comparison.